this is Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax in Charleston, and today I'm going to take you through a new brokerage listing of ours. This is a 2023 Sea Ray 370 Sundancer outboard. Let's take a look. Starting on the bow, this is one of the most comfortable and inviting places to sit on this incredible boat. You can see we have opposing seating up front here with an adjustable backrest. We've got cup holders and speakers up front, stainless steel grab rails for safety. And then I can also drop this backrest down and really stretch out. You see we have spotlight up front that's remote controlled through the stem anchor windlass with washdown up front. You can see there's the SeaDeck foam material throughout the entire boat. So now we're here in the cockpit on this 370 Sundancer. A few things to point out. This boat is fully glassed in, so you have the full coupe whole side windshield, both front and the sides. Summertime, got the powered sunroof. You can open this up. Obviously, you got the big window door here for some ventilation. You can have the back open for when it's cooler in the fall or in the winter. This boat is 100% usable as well. On the port side, we've got a really nice double wide observer seat with a flip down bolster. We've got cup holders, more teak accents, charging port, stainless steel grab rail, these teak steps. Making our way back here, we have outlets. Here on the port side, we have a beautiful Corian countertop, freshwater sink, electric Kenyan grill. We've got L-shaped seating in the cockpit here as well. Nice high backrest, very comfortable place to lounge and go for a ride. And you have the same opposing seating on the starboard side in more of a C shape. We have tables that mount into the cockpit, systems access, storage on this boat. This is where our seakeeper and our generator live, easy to get to. Again, SeaDeck continued all the way throughout the boat onto the transom. Reboarding ladder on the starboard side, full walk-through transom over to the port side with plenty of real estate back here. We've also got a pull-out freshwater shower as you re-enter the boat. So if you need to rinse the salt or the sand off, you can easily and conveniently do so before you make your way further forward. This aft seat here actually converts. It's got two levers to unlock the seat and the backrest. So I can create a little bit of a lounger with a great perspective of the water or the shoreline, sunset, whatever, over these V12 600 horsepower Mercury Verados. These engines have about 259 hours on them, and they have Mercury warranty coverage into March of 2027. Great propulsion for this boat. Gets on plane very quickly and approaches speeds over 50 miles per hour. You can see they're in the Mercury white, which looks great with the horizon hull color, along with the black accents on the boat as well. So now here at the helm on Sea Ray's 370 Sundancer, great setup and instrumentation at the helm. We've got air conditioning vents here at the helm, twin touchscreen from Simrad, 16-inch screens, Fusion Bluetooth stereo. We've got a wrapped steering wheel on a tilt base, another double wide seat. So whether you're in a seated position with another passenger or you're operating more of a leaning position with those nice teak angled footrests, it's a very comfortable boat to drive and operate. Digital throttle and shift with those Mercury Verados. That also includes active trim. Our Mercury joystick is conveniently located here as well, which also includes our skyhook and autopilot features all tied in. Really spacious area. You can see the amount of headroom. Somebody who's well over 6 feet tall has plenty of space to maneuver around comfortably. Nice hardwood floor, beautiful Corian countertops. Everything is really well designed and laid out. You got 3 teak steps as you walk down with non-skid for some safety, storage for glassware, another fold-out refrigerator, microwave. Lounge area here, there is a television right here on the starboard side, so great place to hang out, watch a game, get out of the weather. We've got storage underneath this backrest, and our distribution panel is back here as well. We've also got a Seakeeper control. This is a Seakeeper 3 unit that has 468 run hours on it. We've got another VHF radio here from Simrad, stereo remote, a couple of outlets, a thermostat for the air conditioning, and then we also have the remote switch to convert this sofa to a bed with the push of a button. Full-size mirror on the door of the going into the head, and then really nice head area here, vessel sink, nice flooring, and then we've got a separate stand-up shower with a shower wand. We also got plenty of room if you want to sit down here. You can close off this door here. You've also got plenty of space here on the aft end. So this sofa setup also converts to be a sleeper. We've got sound system controls and a speaker here on the starboard side. Hideaway television. on the starboard side here as well. And we've also got more storage in this cabinet opposite that. More storage here as well. So regardless of whatever your use case is for a boat like this, whether it's just a day cruiser, you want to do some overnighting, or if this is going to be your floating condo on the weekends, it's really got all the amenities that you need. So that's a walkthrough on this 2023 Sea Ray 370 Sundancer outboard located here in Charleston, South Carolina. If you have any questions about this listing or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889 and ask for Kyle Scanlon, the listing broker. Thanks for watching.